All it took was hard work, humility, and a very patient wife. Please welcome Mr. Sojan Joseph, a man who wears scrubs before he wore a suit. Starting as a mental health nurse in NHS, he rose to the head of nursing for community mental health at Kent and Medway NHS Trust. Because when Malayalis enter a field, they don't just join, they run it. In 2023, he jumped into politics, and 1 year later, boom, he won the Ashford. ആഷ്ഫോർഡിന്റെ പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ ചരിത്രത്തിൽ ജയിക്കാനായി ജനിച്ചവൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പോലെ ലേബർ പാർട്ടി ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ആ സീറ്റ് നേടിയെടുത്തത്. And when he gave his first speech on immigration, we all know Westminster finally learned how to say Achappam and Appam correctly. Dear Sojan, we are proud to call you as one of our own, inspiring every migrant, every nurse and every Malayali who dreams big. Welcome, Sojan Joseph MP. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome a man who has got more roles than there are forms to fill out in an NHS audit. Mr. Richard Mitchell, CEO of Leicester Hospital, CEO of Northampton Hospital, chair of this, chair of that. Honestly, we are just checking if he's secretly managing a hospital in Kerala too. But jokes apart, Richard Mitchell is a true leader who connects with his team, not just through meetings, but through his famous Friday Focus Live. Every Friday he pops on Teams, and suddenly the hospital feels just a bit more human. And here is what we love the most. Richard is a huge supporter for our Kerala nurses. Thanks to him, Leicester Hospital now speak 3 languages fluently: English, medical jargon, and Malayalam. So with a warm heart and a spicy spirit, we welcome you, Richard, to the Kerala Nurses Conference 2025. Now, let me welcome Julie Hawk, the chief nurse who gave her nurses study leave and transport last year to attend the Kerala Nurses Conference in Manchester. And this year she said, let's go big. And UHL paid for our venue right here in Leicester. When I was preparing my welcome speech, I asked one of my friends in Leicester tips about Julie. And she said, Julie looks a bit scary. And I replied, only if you block the fire exit with your hoist. But in reality, Julie is a kind of leader who lifts people up, especially us, Kerala nurses. She supports us, trusts us, and somehow always says yes. Usually faster than we say tea break and we disappear for half an hour. From UCLS to Sherwood to Leicester, she has been a true force of excellence, compassion and humor. Julie, you are not scary. You are a legendary. Welcome to the Kerala Nurses Conference 2025. Now, let me welcome Mr. Bijoy Sebastian, the man with 20 years of nursing experience, even though he looks young enough to still get asked for his ID at Tesco's. ഒത്തുപിടിച്ചാൽ മലയും പോരും എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പോലെ കേരള നേഴ്സസ് ഒന്ന് ഒത്തുപിടിച്ചപ്പോൾ ബിജോയ് സെബാസ്റ്റ്യൻ became the president of Royal College of Nursing. He came to UK in 2011. The funny thing is, nursing wasn't even his first choice. Like every good Malayali, he first thought about becoming a doctor or an engineer, or both at once. But the entrance exam said, no, you are going to be a nurse. Welcome to Joy. Now, let's give a huge round of applause to someone very close to our hearts, but even close to our conference budget. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our mega sponsor, Lifeline Protect. The lifeline of our conference, quite literally. They were our mega sponsor last year. They are backing us again this year. And at this rate, we might just start calling it the Lifeline Nurses Conference. Honestly, without their support, we would probably having this conference in someone's back garden with plastic chairs and payasam in the paper cups. Thank you, Lifeline Protect, for always standing by us, believing in us, and helping us dream bigger every year. So please put your hands together for the people who protect our future while we protect our patients. Lifeline Protect. പ്രിയമുള്ളവരെ, ഇനി സ്വാഗതം ആശംസിക്കേണ്ടത് നിങ്ങൾ ഓരോരുത്തർക്കുമാണ്. എന്റെ മുൻപിൽ നിൽക്കുന്ന ആയിരക്കണക്കിന് നഴ്സുമാർക്ക് ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ സമ്മേളനത്തിന്റെ വിജയം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നിങ്ങൾ ഓരോരുത്തരുമാണ്. ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ കോൺഫറൻസിന്റെ വിജയം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നിങ്ങൾ ഓരോരുത്തരുമാണ്. അതെ, മണ്ണിനോടും മലയോടും മലവെള്ളത്തോടും മലമ്പാമ്പിനോടും മല്ലടിക്കുന്ന മലയോര കർഷകന്റെ നാടായ മലയാളക്കരയിൽ നിന്നും മഞ്ഞു പെയ്യുന്ന മാഞ്ചസ്റ്ററിൽ മലയാളികളുടെ ആദ്യ കോൺഫറൻസ് നടത്തി ഇന്ന് ലെസ്റ്ററിൽ തങ്ങളുടെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ കോൺഫറൻസ് നടത്തുവാൻ ഇവിടെ എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്ന നിങ്ങളെ ഏവരെയും വളരെ സ്നേഹത്തോടെ സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എന്റെ വാക്കുകൾ ഉപസംഹരിക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.